मुझे आशा है कि आप अपनी बात रखेंगे।
I hope you will keep your word. I hope you will keep your word.
तुम कुछ कहते क्यों नहीं?
Why don't you say something? Why don't you say something?
कोई भी घटना बिना किसी कारण से नहीं होती।
Nothing happens without a reason. Nothing happens without a reason.
मुझे आपको कुछ बताना है।
I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you.
एक ही बात को बार बार न कहें।
Don't say the same thing over and over again. Don't say the same thing over and over again.
मुझे मजबूर मत करो।
Don't force me. Don't force me.
मैंने जो सुना है वही कह रहा हूँ।
I am just saying what I have heard. I am just saying what I have heard.
क्या तुम मेरी एक मदद करोगे?
Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor?
थोड़ी मदद करो मेरी।
Help me a little. Help me a little.
मैंने आपको ऐसा करने के लिए कभी नहीं कहा।
I never told you to do that. I never told you to do that.
मैंने उसे देखा तो वो हंस रहा था।
He was laughing when I saw him. He was laughing when I saw him.
मेरे आने के बाद से तुम कहाँ हो?
Where have you been since I came? Where have you been since I came?
वो जो भी है वो मेरी है।
Whatever she is mine. Whatever she is mine.
ऐसा करने में कितना समय लगेगा?
How long will it take to do this? How long will it take to do this?
घर से बाहर ना निकलें।
Don't go out of the house. Don't go out of the house.
तुम जहां जाओगे मैं तुम्हें नहीं बख्शूंगा।
I will not spare you wherever you go. I will not spare you wherever you go.
मुझे इसकी आवश्यकता नहीं है।
I don't need it. I don't need it.
मुझे नहीं पता क्या होगा।
I don't know what will happen. I don't know what will happen.
अब कुछ करो।
Do something now. Do something now.
क्या आप इससे पहले यहाँ आए हैं?
Have you been here before? Have you been here before?
क्या रोनी घर पर आ गई है?
Has Roni arrived at home? Has Roni arrived at home?
नहीं, वो अभी तक घर नहीं पहुंचा है।
No, he has not reached home yet. No, he has not reached home yet.
वो अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ाता है।
He doesn't teach English. He doesn't teach English.
यह आपकी जिम्मेदारी है।
It is your responsibility. It is your responsibility.
वो मुझसे 2 साल बड़े हैं।
He is 2 years older than me. He is 2 years older than me.
मैं आपको यह बताना भूल गया।
I forgot to tell you that. I forgot to tell you that.
वो देखने में बेहद खूबसूरत है।
She is very beautiful to look at. She is very beautiful to look at.
आप सुबह से कहाँ थे?
Where have you been since morning? Where have you been since morning?
मैं कैसा दिखता हूँ?
How do I look? How do I look?
एक दिन सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
One day everything will be fine. One day everything will be fine.
आपको प्रतीक्षा करते रहने के लिए मुझे खेद है.
I am sorry to keep you waiting. I am sorry to keep you waiting.
मैं नहाने जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going to take a bath. I'm going to take a bath.
मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा.
I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes.
कुछ अद्भुत करना.
Do something amazing. Do something amazing.
सावधान रहें, अगली बार मिलते हैं.
Be careful. See you next time. Be careful. See you next time.